Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to insert, delete, rename, and reorder tabs in Google Sheets. Managing your tabs effectively helps you organize your data better and navigate through your spreadsheets with ease. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the spreadsheets you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your available files. From here, simply locate and click on the spreadsheet you want to edit. This will open up your Google Sheets document where you can start managing your tabs. Let's begin with inserting a new tab. Look at the bottom of your spreadsheet where all your existing tabs are displayed. You'll notice a small plus icon typically located to the left of your current tabs. Click on this plus icon and Google Sheets will instantly add a new blank tab to your spreadsheet. This is perfect when you need to organize different datasets or create separate sections within the same file. Now that you've added a new tab, let's rename it to something more meaningful. To do this, double-click directly on the tab you just created. You'll see the tab name become highlighted, which means it's now editable. Simply type in your desired name for this tab, whether it's something like monthly data, budget tracker, or any other label that makes sense for your project. Next, let's talk about deleting tabs you no longer need. This is useful for keeping your spreadsheet clean and organized. To delete a tab, right-click on the tab you want to remove. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Delete. Google Sheets will then show you a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to delete this tab, as this action cannot be undone. Simply click OK to confirm the deletion, and the tab will be permanently removed from your spreadsheet. Finally, let's reorder your tabs to arrange them in a way that makes the most sense for your workflow. This is incredibly simple. Just click and hold on the tab you want to move, then drag it to the left or right to position it wherever you'd like it to be among your other tabs. Release your mouse button once you've found the perfect spot, and the tab will stay in its new position. And that's it. You've now learned how to insert, delete, rename, and reorder tabs in Google Sheets, giving you complete control over how you organize your spreadsheet data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.